How to change to light mode on Chat GPT. So you want to change from the dark mode that you're seeing right here into light mode. You want to have a white background instead of the black background or this dark background you can see here. Unfortunately, if you type it into ChatGPT asking it to turn on light mode or turn on dark mode, unfortunately it doesn't come up and do it automatically. That would be a really cool Easter egg if they add that in future. But you'll have to do it manually by going to the bottom left hand corner on the chat.openai.com, and then you'll see a little section there where it says light mode. Go ahead and click on that, and then it will turn the background there to white. Then obviously if you want to turn it back to dark mode, just go to the bottom left hand corner again and click on that. So unfortunately you can't do it within ChatGPT using a prompt, but you can do it manually by going to the bottom left hand corner. So please leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.